Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can create your Yahoo email account on your iPhone. Well, it's quite easy. So first of all, make sure that Yahoo Mail is installed on your phone and then simply open the application. Then this is the first thing that you will see. So in here you can also see the option of don't have an account, sign up. You need to tap on this option, sign up, then tap on continue. And then we'll get to this particular login link of Yahoo. And after doing that, here you'll need to enter your full name and you'll need to create your new Yahoo email, and then you'll need to create yourself strong password for your account, and then you'll need to select the date of birth. And in here you can see I have added down the name, and I have also created my new Yahoo email and also the password of my account and selected my date of birth. Now what I'm going to do is simply tap on next, and then if you want to save the password you can tap on save password, or you can simply tap on not now or never for this website if you want. I'm going to tap on save password and save this password, and in here you'll need to now add down your phone number. So after writing down your phone number, tap on get code by text. And then you'll get a 6-digit code on your phone, just like this. Here you can see on your WhatsApp, you've gotten the code. Tap on copy code, get back, and simply paste it down right here. And after doing that, tap on next. And in here you can see we have successfully verified our phone number. And if you want to use your face or fingerprints, you can tap on allow. But if you don't want that, you can simply tap on not now, just like this. And here you can see we have now successfully created ourselves our Yahoo email ID. In here, if you want to get emails with the marketing offers from Yahoo, you can select this option, or else you can deselect the option and then tap on done. After doing that, if you want to get any kind of notifications, you can turn these option, or you can simply tap on this option and select it all. Here you can tap on allow and allow the notifications, or else you can tap on not now. In here, you can even personalize your inbox theme with colors. For example, if I want this one, I can select that, or else I'm simply going to go with the standard color and then tap on next. And if you want to link your account with any of these platforms like Google, Outlook, or any of these platforms, you can select them, or else you can tap on maybe later. And just like this, we have now successfully created ourselves Yahoo Mail account on our iPhone. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.